It's Odie.
Oh, Odie took my orange. Okay. Monkey seafood, monkey take.
All the monkeys on this island have a strategy for interacting with people. They gaslight you into thinking that you're friends, and then they steal your food.
You can have it, you can have it. I love this monkey. There's a monkey on the boat.
And if you're wondering where you and your friends are gonna sleep on this island, suspended above the water are 6 luxury cabanas, which house both humans and monkeys.
The monkey's grabbing the GoPro, Jimmy.
Sir, we need this for filming. I just need to borrow this. Thank you. Okay, I got my camera back. You want? Whoops. Oh, yes.
He wants your hat.
Okay, you can have that, sir. By the end of this, I'm gonna be naked. The monkeys are stealing everything.
And the monkeys are not even the coolest part of this island. See, this island isn't even an island at all.